In this video, you will learn how to set up bill payments using Discover Bank. Log into Discover Online Bank. Log in sign in to Discover Bank account through the website or their mobile app using your credentials. Navigate to Bill Pay. Go to the Bill Pay section, usually found under Payments or Transfer menu. Add a payee. Enter details of a company or individual you want to pay. This can include names, account numbers or billing address. Verify payee information. Double check the payee details to ensure the payment will be sent to the correct recipient. Schedule a payment. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date, then choose the account from which you want the fund will be deduced. Confirm, then pay. Review the details and confirm the payment setup. You also can save the payee for future payments. Now you know how to set up bill payment using Discover Bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.